Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use the NordVPN. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first head over to the App Store on your device. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. And if you are on iOS, open the App Store. Alright, in the search bar, type NordVPN and look for the official app with the NordVPN logo. Once the app installed, open it. You will be prompted to either log in or create an account if you don't have one yet. If you have already subscribed or if you have a trial, just enter your login credential. Alright, if not, you can quickly sign up for an account right from the app by selecting your plan and enter your payment info. Now that you are logged in, let's take a look and how to use this app. The main screen will show you a map with available VPN servers. You can either tap on a country to connect to one of its servers, or scroll through the server list for more specific option. Alright, after selecting a server, tap connect, and within a seconds, you will be connected to secured VPN. You will see a confirmation on the screen that you are protected. NordVPN also offers additional features. You can find specialty servers like double VPN, P2P, or option over VPN by going to the specialty server tab. You can also customize your connection by accessing the settings section to enable features like cybersec to block ads and malware, or the kill switch to prevent any data leak if your VPN disconnect. Let's move on. To disconnect from the VPN, just simply tap disconnect button and you will be back on your regular network. So that's it. Now you know how to download and use the NordVPN. I hope this guide makes it easy for you to protect your online privacy. Thanks for watching and take care.